Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Chromebook via Bluetooth. So the first thing that we should do is put the earbuds into pairing mode. Both the buds are in the case right now. I'm going to open this up. I'll know if it's in pairing mode if it's blinking green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light and then it goes off. So for me, let me manually put this in a pairing mode, okay? If I look down here, there's a button, little round button here on the case. I'm going to press and hold that button until the light here starts blinking green, orange, green, orange. Button here, press and hold, keep holding. Orange, green, orange, green. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to our Chromebook, and you just want to go directly to your settings. So we're going to select that, and then we're going to go to settings right there. From here, go ahead and go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we want to select down here where it says pair new device. And now this line that's going across there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So these are still in the pairing mode. Oh, there you go. It just popped up right there. OpenFit. Let's go ahead and select that. It says pairing. Wow, that is weird. Anyway, I'll just go ahead and select pair. And voila. You can see the OpenFit right there. It is connected. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.